24 hours of the most challenging track on Earth. The Nürburgring, the place where the N was honed. Every year thousands come together to witness the toughest race unfold. The Nürburgring 24-hour race. Feel the feeling. Through the eyes of our fans. Through the eyes of our engineers. Through the eyes of our drivers. And it begins. The ultimate race against time. This is our home event. It's where we belong. As we battle through the night. Through crashes and repairs, we race on. Through the extremes, we never give up. This is what we were born for. This is what we do. And this is how we live. The race never ends.